Hey everyone, okay, so I got my Buttons Galore and More monthly kits in the mail, and I want to see what we got. So let me open it. I believe this is $23. I need to start writing stuff down, but you guys can, you just need to go to the Buttons Galore and More and see what they have. But I think it's like 23 or less. So we got some, oh, it's a freebie. They give you a freebie, Cozy Brads. That's cool. So I love freebies. Oh, and look at some twine. This is a really pretty variegated twine. That's my big word of the day. We're done now. So fall collection autumn leaves. These are really pretty, and you just cut off the back and then use glue and then put it on any paper project, so you don't have to use them as buttons. And then we have jewels, embellishment, premium gemstones. This is topaz. Topaz, hey, that's my birthstone. I am November 22nd birthday. And oh, look how pretty these are too. I like the different colors. I think there's at least 2, possibly 3 different colors. I think 2 different colors. And oh, look at this one. These are the sparklets. And this one is the fall foliage. I like that word, foliage. That is so pretty. Love it. And then we have, I think this kit's worth it. I love having the variety. I do. I like this kit. And this is Desert Sky. I need to start using my stuff. I just don't have enough time. But yeah, Orange Crush. Oh, look how cute that is with orange peppermints. Oh, that is super cute. I love this. That is so cute. Yep. And last but not least, buttons. Happy Halloween. Oh, I love these. These are awesome. Yeah, you just pop off the back, use some good pair of scissors, and then just chop them off. I love that. That is cool. Yep, I love. Okay, so yeah, $23 or less. Oh wait, did it come with the? It may have. Oh. Luckily, I went inside. Oh, look at it. Okay, because I opened it upside down because the other side was hard. So we got a notepad, and yeah, I don't know if I was supposed to show that. Okay, so now I have a real invoice because the first one I got was half off, right? So here is my invoice, $23.20. Yay! So $23.20, you guys, and that includes, so the kit itself is $19.34. The first class package is $3.86. So $23.20. I think it was worth it. So these things right here, I believe, are free, and then this is what you're paying for. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm going to continue to get this kit. So, all right, guys, see you next month.